Welcome back, guys. I'm getting a kinetic model of matter question 3, paper 2, 5054. Let's start question 3. Figure 3.1 shows a cylindrical copper kettle that contains cold water. So, अभी इस copper kettle के अंदर cold water है. As the water is heated, it expands. Explain in terms of molecules why water expands when it is heated. Acha. This is the phenomenon called thermal expansion. For example, these are some these are some particles. ठीक है ना? अभी बस सपोज कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ठीक है ना? These are some particles. When heat is provided, we all know that kinetic energy is provided to the particles, so they will start to move vigorously in the position they're in, right? All of the particles will start to move vigorously in the position they are in. ठीक है ना? This will cause them to expand the volume of the thing they're in. ठीक है ना? This will cause them to expand the volume. ठीक है? Because they are vigorously shaking, they will expand volume and that will cause the water level to rise. ठीक है ना? अच्छा. Molecules push each other apart. Molecules move apart. Space between molecules increase or vibrate with greater amplitude. More kinetic energy, just like I told you. They're gonna vibrate very fast, and when they vibrate, they're gonna make more room. अगर आप किसी टाइट टाइट कपड़े में and you vigorously move around and like stretching it and doing all that stuff, then it will eventually be to your size, even though it will be stretched और कपड़ा डिफॉर्म हो गया होगा, लेकिन still it will fit to your size. That is what the molecules are doing. अच्छा, copper also expands when heated. State what happens to the level X of the water in the kettle. Explain your answer in terms of expansion of the copper and water. So, as I told you earlier, this phenomenon is called thermal expansion. Thermal expansion, as you can like here, ये जो नाम है, it is very self-explanatory, and it says when an object is provided specifically heat, and the object must be like solid or liquid, the object will expand in volume, not in mass. ठीक है ना? So that is what thermal expansion is. So what will happen? State what happens to the level X. The level X is increased because the co actually no. The level X is increased, but there are two things which are changing. The copper is also heating up, right? The copper is also heating up. When the copper will heat, it will also be subjected to thermal expansion. But a liquid will expand more than a solid. That is just a rule. In thermal expansion, gas सबसे ज्यादा expand होती है. उसके बाद liquid सबसे ज्यादा expand होता है. उसके बाद least expansive material is solid. तो solid कम expand होगा, लेकिन liquid solid से ज्यादा expand होगा. That means the X level will still rise. ठीक है ना? तो अब हमने देखना है. Rises expands more than solid. Even though मैंने बहुत ज्यादा explanation दी है, this is just a one word, one sentence answer. So the thing is, the solid will expand less than the liquid. And when the solid is gonna expand less than the liquid, that means the liquid's level will rise. So yeah. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.